Hey everybody, so I got a new storage box to share with you today. Now these ones are kind of like the crate with storage box combined. I do love these things. You can see in the background I do have a stack of them. I do have a few of them in a couple different rooms, and I just really like these things. I think they work great. I think the only con with these is that they're a little more pricey compared to some of the other storage options out there. But they're really simple to put together. As you can see, all you do is pretty much unfold it and then you snap it all together pretty much. And then you're going to use this little piece here to hold everything together. All right, so once you get that piece on, it's going to hold it all together. And then you do have your lid, which you can snap on that as well. And now you got the option to use this as more like a crate style or like a storage bins. You can stack these several high and then you can easily get to them on the side. Now this one is a little bit different compared to those other ones. Like those other ones, you got the top part and then you got two doors in the front. Now this one actually has a door on all sides. So you'll see that there is a door right here, and they're also magnetic with this one. So you do have to unsnap it. This will hold it in place, but these all have magnets on them. So they just snap right in. And then you just clamp that down to lock it in place. And it's going to be the same. So you got also doors over here on the sides. So you can open it up and you can get in really easily. And again, you got one on that side and you got one on that side. So you can pretty much have this anywhere and be able to get into it from all sides. I really do like the design of this one. Just for that fact that I could have it pretty much anywhere and I can get in anywhere of it. So like if I have something on this side or something on this side, I can just get in there and I don't have to worry about rummaging through it all, or I don't have to unstack them, pull off the lids, but you got that option. Now also there are these little latches here for the lid itself, so you can pop those on and that's going to keep your lid from falling off. So now you can carry it and not have to worry about it coming off and things falling out. So you do have that option. Now to put on the wheels, they're going to be really easy. They just got little pegs on the sides and you'll snap them in. I didn't realize that you had to put them on yourself, but then I just saw that that bag was sitting there. I kind of wondered what they were there for a moment. But you're just going to snap them in place, and now we have our little wheels. So they're going to be pretty much like the other storage bins. This will work on a hard floor, hard surface. You'll be able to wheel it around on that, but you're not going to be able to wheel this around on carpet whatsoever. All right, so now with those on, we can wheel it. Anyway, if you are looking for a storage bin, I do really like this style, and I may even get a couple more of these so they are matching, and use this to store some things. Anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully this gives you an idea what to expect with one of these.